I'm back and I cut my hair. Look at my hair. I added a few pieces in the back because like I told you before, my hair is thin. But yeah, I just want a new change. The long hair will always come back in. But I noticed that my hair's been pulling and just not really healthy doing that. So I decided I want a new look for the winter. Today is inauguration day. I'm so excited. I was so happy to see Kamala, Joe Biden, and all the other ones. It was nice to see even Pence come up there and be a real, I don't know if I'm gonna say real leader, but he stepped up, and that's all you're supposed to do at the end of the day. Anyways, so my house is so crazy. So I'm literally decluttering the house since upstairs is pretty much under construction, mainly our back. So our shower won't be here till like next week, I think. So until then, we're gonna go ahead and paint everything. We'll probably start painting Friday, I'm assuming. So right now, today, I'm just focused on decluttering, getting rid of all unnecessary things. I have a bad habit of keeping things, and we don't want to do that. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been dealing with. This has been my life. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So yeah, it ruined some of the carpet. Well, not carpet, our flooring in our bedroom. So I'm not even gonna show you this disaster because I can't even deal with it. But anyways, it's been really nice to take a little break from YouTube. I just needed me time. I think that's very important. I was going through something and I just, had some time to myself, but I'm back. I'm excited to be filming again. I've been looking on Amazon because I'm still going to do my Amazon haul. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I don't want to get clothes, so I think I'm going to just get things like just random things that I would normally get. So I'm trying to get a certain amount of things, but I don't want too much because I don't want it to be a long video. You get bored. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys and catch up with you guys. And I'll probably come back on here later because I'm thinking about, I was freezing this like shredded chicken taco stuff I did. to be like this and it won't stir. So right now Melania is still in school, and I'm sorry. Right now Melania is still in school. Do you love my shirt? I got it from Hot Topic. I got Melania one, and I seen it. I was like, look at the back. The shirt's from Hot Topic. Yeah. Anywho, I wanted to do like a half up type of vibe, but I don't know. I'm here trying to play me right now. Then when Donald gets here, we'll start painting. The fireplace is done. I just have to find little knickknacks, but it's not a huge thing. I'm gonna probably spray paint my dresser black in my living room and make the handles gold. And then we're gonna probably, that's something that's not gonna be done until later. Our main focus is painting the bathroom and probably painting the closet, and it's gonna be white. The dilemma I'm having is the cabinets. I wanted to originally do kind of like down here, but the wall is white. The thing is, it's just, I don't know. I don't want to OD on black handles. So my husband's like, let's do gold handles. But then it's like, is gold gonna look good on the white? So then he's like, well, let's just do the cabinets black. So it's starting to fucking stress me out, honestly. But we're not even gonna go there. Anyways, I'll be back in a little bit to show you guys what we're doing. I know Saturday night. Me and Donald just came back from going to one of my coworkers' gatherings. It was very fun. It was at a restaurant. It was pretty nice to do something because me and my husband haven't been like anywhere like that. But anyways, I want to show you a little preview. It's the wall. He did the frame for the wall. I'm trying to see if y'all can. But yeah, this is gonna be the wall. As you can see down here, this is where how far out the shower will come. And then it'll be that wall, and then he's gonna build a wall right here, but he has to patch this up. And we sealed it because we're gonna have the faucet come here. And then probably right here is where we're gonna have like that little indent where you can put like your shampoo and conditioner, body wash, stuff like that. So yeah, really excited, and I'm going to show you guys what the shower head and stuff. All right guys, so I'm going to end the vlog like this. This week has been very productive. We were able to get the framing done in the bathroom. We didn't get a chance to paint, but we'll do it this week. It's not a big deal. Melania's birthday is coming up, so next weekend we're gonna celebrate it. So probably on the next vlog, it'll be mostly about her birthday and all that good stuff. Our shower kit should be coming in. The wall should be up, and we should definitely have some paint on, hopefully before Friday. That is the goal. So until next time, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the new people who subscribe. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. I still haven't did my Amazon order please. It will get done soon. So until next time, I hope everybody has a great week.